Hello and welcome back. Here is Onand, and today I will show you the unboxing of some packages I got in the mail. So I unpacked everything and laid it out nicely here. On this side we have two dome cylinder. One is with two rows from the bottom, and this one has only one row from the bottom, but some key jack pins from the top. Then here we have a Keso 2000S and a Keso 2000. The main difference between them is when you look at the key, the Keso 2000 looks quite easy compared to the Keso 2000S. This looks like it has pin and pin. Then here in the middle we have, starting from the top, a KABA 8 with 3 rows of pins. Then a KABA 10. They are already phased out and produced anymore, so it's very hard to get one. They are similar to the KABA 8. They have from both sides and from the bottom pins, but they have the new cuts. Then the next one is a KABA Gemini S. KABA has phased them out too, so they don't produce it anymore, but they produce only spare parts. So it's a nice one. Here the pins are angled from this side and from this side and here from the top. And here we have a KABA star. Really nice. We have, I think, 5 rows of pins, 2 from the side, each side, then angled, I think up like this, from this side and from the top. And here I have some spare KABA cylinders. I don't know what they are because I don't have the keys for them. Then this side, if you're on the top, EVVA DP. Quite nice fitting. And challenging keyway. I got this one from moKdtex. Then here we have a EVVA. Quite open keyway compared to the other one. This one is a Schänis. This is a Swiss company. It's a normal dimple lock. And then here I have some unbranded lock. I don't know what it is. Up here I have some other smaller locks without brands, or like a Blaser. It's a little bit sticky inside, but it still works. And here on the top I have a Mul-T-Lock Interactive. I've never seen one before. Really nice. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.